What's up, you guys? Let's show you on a Thursday when I go to the supermarket what I bought. So I bought green banana. This is some shrimp. By the way, I wanted to make rasta pasta. So I buy 3 bags of shrimp because I normally do it sometimes once per week. And yeah, and this shrimp is like $15 per bag. Yeah, it's not cheap. I buy this Parmesan, some Parmesan cheese. This is the supermarket I went. This I get it on Bloomfield is some African sardine and I buy a whole case. So I bought pear today, green banana, ripe banana. Yes, I get 2 pairs, guys. I buy some garlics. So the green banana, I normally look for the smaller ones, to cook the green one. I bought some limes, some bell pepper. I like use the bell pepper now more to color my food, which is about every color: green, cantaloupe, green, red, yellow. This is some crab meats that I'm going to use in the rasta pasta. So I like to use the sweet pepper now, which is the bell pepper. I don't buy the carrot looking one, which is the orange one, that much, because I use carrot sometimes in my food. So I don't buy too much of the orange color. So I buy some tomato. I don't really use tomato that often. I buy some cabbage, lettuce. Yeah, I buy lettuce. So here is the one that looks like the orange one that looks like the carrot. So I only buy 2 of those because I normally use carrot in my food. So I just bought these for anything like the rasta pasta, which I don't use with carrot. So I bought those for carrot. I buy some cucumber. I bought bola cake to eat with my pear. I buy some string beans. Yes, bought some string beans to do my stir-fried vegetables. There we go. Yes, and I bought some oranges. They're so sweet, guys. They're so sweet. This is the best time. I buy carrots. I buy 2 bags of carrots and a piece of yellow yam. Look what I bought. Look what I bought. Coconut. Yes, I bought some coconuts. This one is big and it's $1.99 per coconut. So I bought 3 and they all good. Yes. So this is my grocery time. I bought here I bought some okra. Yeah, so this is my Thursday, guys. This is on my Thursday go. And all of this is over $200 that you see on this counter with just vegetables. So a lot of people think that food is cheap in America. This is not. No, well, the sardine, the can sardine is not a part of it, but everything else is over $200. So just to show you the grocery store, and then I went to the fish shop to get some fish head and some pargi for Easter, to fry them for Easter. So I decided to do this, clean them up, and then I'm gonna go home. I wanted the fish head for soup, but I'm gonna steam them, guys. And I bought a piece of salmon. So I bought the kingfish and the kingfish head and the parrotfish head. Yes, red snapper fish head, and I'm gonna steam them. So this is the vegetable that I'm going to use to steam them. Yes, so here is the fish head, guys. It is so delicious. I cut up my bell pepper, my onion, my garlic, my carrots, my okra, some potatoes, and I half cook it before I add the fish head into it. Guys, you don't want to stop eat this fish head, I'm telling you. And I boil a few banana to eat with it. And in the morning, I get up, I have some leftovers, and I eat it with crackers. Guys, it was a bomb. It was so delicious. But if you ever do steamed fish head, let me know. And I hope you actually enjoyed this video. But that is my Thursday routine in the morning. I go to supermarket to get fresh goods because on Saturday I don't think that they look so fresh. So on Thursday I normally like going to the supermarket to get some fresh good. And this was my Thursday evening dinner, which was the Friday before Good Friday, the Thursday before Good Friday, which is Holy Thursday. That's what I did for my dinner. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.